Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about international travel. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about travel. Don't worry, I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question. What is the name of the gate BoiBoi and Lisa need to find? Please listen carefully to find the answer. Write your answer in the comments section to improve your English. All right, let's start the video now.
We are finally at the airport. I am so excited for our dream trip to London, Lisa. Let's go!
Me too. This is our first international flight. We need to find the correct check-in counter very quickly.
Look at the big digital screen over there. Our airline is at counter B. Let's walk that way together.
Wait, is my suitcase too heavy? I packed many warm clothes for the cold weather in London this week.
Don't worry, I have a small scale. Let me check it for you. It is exactly 20 kilograms.
Phew, that is a big relief. Now, let's go to the counter and drop off our heavy suitcases now.
Hello, we would like to check in for our flight to London. Here are our 2 blue passports, please.
Hello. Put your bags on the scale, please. Are you carrying any dangerous items or any liquids today?
No, we don't have anything dangerous. Only our clothes and some snacks for the long 12-hour flight.
Great. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight departs from gate A12 in about 2 hours from now.
Thank you very much. Lisa, we must remember that number. Gate A12. We should not forget it at all.
I won't forget. Now we have to go through security. The line looks a bit long and slow.
Let's prepare. I need to take off my pink jacket and put my silver laptop in the gray bin.
I have to take off my watch too. I hope I didn't leave any water in my plastic bottle.
Everything is fine. Just follow the instructions. The security officer is very professional and helpful to us.
We passed. That was easy. Now we are in the duty-free area. Everything looks so shiny and expensive.
We shouldn't spend too much time here. We must find gate A12 first to be safe and ready.
You are right. Let's follow the bright yellow signs. They point towards the big A gate section ahead.
I see it. It is a very long walk. Maybe we should use the moving walkway over there.
Good idea. My legs are a bit tired from carrying this heavy backpack since early this morning.
Look at the huge airplanes outside the window. They are so big. I can't believe we are flying.
I am a bit nervous about the takeoff. Is it scary? My brother says it feels very fast.
Don't be scared. It is very safe. We can listen to music or watch a fun movie together.
Look, here is gate A12. We finally found it. We still have 1 hour before we board.
Let's buy some water and travel magazines. I want to read about the best museums in London.
Perfect. I will get some sweet chocolate. Traveling always makes me feel very hungry and tired.
This is the start of a great adventure. London, here we come. I am happy you are here.
Me too, best friend. Let's take a quick selfie to remember this. Cheers to our first big trip.
What is the name of the gate they need to find? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, Please write your answer in the comment section below now. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video. And please leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you later. See you next time. Goodbye.